Hey, wait before you scroll. You know how sometimes you just want to listen to music without all the distractions. No texts, no calls, just pure music bliss? Well, am I Maria Moses, and I totally get that. I'm a tech lover/music addict, and today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best MP3 players you can get right now. Yeah, in 2025. Not old junk. I mean, sleek, powerful, battery beasts. All the product link in the description. I have Amazon and AliExpress $12 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit promowelt.com. So grab a snack or pow your cat. Let's go. Number 1, H2 HiFi MP3 Player with Bluetooth. Okay, so this is the H2 HiFi MP3 Player. And yeah, it still holds up in 2025. It's solid, like metal body, clicky buttons, no touchscreen, just simple. Sound quality? Super clean, especially with wired headphones. FLAC files sound amazing like actual detail. It does have Bluetooth. Version 40. Not the latest, but it works fine. Still wired sounds way better. No internal memory though. You need a micro SD card up to 256 GB. UI is super basic, but fast. Battery? Crazy. Good. 15 hours easy. Charge is slow, but you won't need to do it often. If you want pure music, no distractions, no notifications, this thing's perfect. Not for streamers. But for real listeners? 100% worth it. Number 2. Portable MP3 touchscreen music player. I've been using this Lil MP3 touchscreen player I found on Amazon. And honestly, it surprised me. It's super light, fits in your pocket, and it's got a touchscreen. Smooth, easy to use. And yes, Bluetooth works great. My earbuds connected in seconds. You get 128 GB storage, so much space. I've loaded hundreds of songs, still not full. Battery? Lasts forever. Like 2 days. No stress. Sound quality? Way better than I expected. Clean, good bass, no weird distortion. If you're tired of distractions from your phone, or just want to vibe with pure music, this thing, worth it. Didn't think I'd say that, but here we are. Number 3, Phinistec Z6 Digital Audio Player. So, I picked up the Phinistec Z6 MP3 Player, and it's actually kinda awesome. Metal body feels solid, not cheap. Sound? Super clean. Like, better than I expected for the price. Bluetooth 5.0? Yup. Fast. Stable. No drops. You get 32 GB built in, plus SD card slot. I loaded tons of songs, still got space. Battery? Bro. Like 30+ hours. I barely charge it. Small screen, but it's color. Easy to use. And yeah. It even has voice recording, FM radio, and an ebook reader. Wild. No streaming apps though, just offline music. Pure vibes. Honestly, totally worth it. Number 4. F20 HiFi MP3 Player. I got this F20 HiFi MP3 Player recently, and I gotta say it surprised me. First off, it feels really solid. Like proper metal body, not some cheap plastic thing. The sound? Man, it's super clean. Like, I could hear details I never noticed before in my favorite songs. Plus, it supports all the high-res formats, FLAC, Washington 5, APE. So if you care about quality, it's got you covered. Bluetooth 5.2 means fast, stable connection. I tested it with my wireless earbuds, no lag, no dropouts. Which is great. It's got a nice old-school scroll wheel too. Honestly, kinda satisfying to use. Battery life is solid. Tool lasted me a few days on one charge with moderate use. And storage? It comes with built-in space. Plus, you can add a micro SD card so you can carry thousands of songs. If you want to escape the phone distractions and just enjoy pure music, this is definitely worth checking out. Anyway, links in the description if you want to see more. Number 5. H2 HiFi MP3 Player with Bluetooth. So, this thing is actually pretty cool. It's got a sleek metal body, feels solid in your hand, not those flimsy plastic ones you find everywhere. Sound quality? Man, it's really clear. Like, really clear. You can tell it's got proper hi-fi tech inside. I mean, the highs, mids, lows, they all sound balanced. Not tinny or muddy like some cheap players. Bluetooth? Yep, it's got Bluetooth 4.0, which is not the latest but still pretty solid. I paired it with my wireless earbuds, no annoying lag or dropouts, which, is a big deal for me. It supports all the good audio formats, FLAC, Washington 5, even DSD if you're that serious about music. Plus, there's a micro SD slot, so you can load tons of songs. No Wi-Fi, no apps, just pure music bliss. Battery life? I was surprised. It lasts like a full day or more with heavy use, so you don't have to charge it every few hours. Nice. The screen's small but clear, and the buttons? Easy to use even with one hand. Honestly, if you want to ditch your phone for music, sometimes avoid distractions, save battery, or just want to enjoy real hi-fi sound on the go, is a solid pick. All right, I'll put the link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Please subscribe my channel.